Hello everyone. Today, UW Laser would like to introduce to you a new self-developed rotary welding head, which is driven by a motor to rotate the laser optical path to achieve the side welding of cylindrical plastic. Its main advantages and characteristics are: 1. It is especially suitable for the integration of automated production lines, and there is no need for secondary positioning and rotating fixtures during the welding process. 2. It is suitable for large-scale, flexible products and other products that are not easy to design rotating fixtures. 3. It is suitable for use in occasions where there are precision components, liquids, etc., inside the product, and the use of rotating fixtures will affect the product's performance. 4. Using a rotary welding head and servo module can realize the side welding of products with ellipse and special shaped trajectory.